Hi students, once our roads right of way parcel has been created, now it's time to create subdivide lot parcel in our drawing area to develop the completely site. Creating subdivision lots parcel using precising tools. The precising tools allow you to create parcels to your exact specification. You will find these tools most useful when you have your roadways established and understand your lot depth requirements. These tools provide automatic, semi-automatic and free-form ways to control the parcel sizing using frontage, parcel area and segment directions. So in parcel sizing tools, in this exercise we will use a tool which called slide line create tool. Slide line create tools creates an attached parcel segment based on an angle from frontage. You may find this tool most useful when your jurisdiction requires a uniform lot line angle from the right of way. So this exercise will lead you through using the slide line create tool to create a series of subdivision lots in this drawing. When you will open this drawing, I will put this drawing link in the description. You can download, and when you will open, you can note that this drawing has several alignments on the same side as the boundary parcels, resulting in several smaller parcels between the alignments and boundaries. So from the Home tab, Parcel Creation Tools, the Parcel Layout Tools toolbar appear. You can expand the toolbar by clicking the expansion cavern located at the end of toolbar. In the parcel sizing section, we must need to change the value of some parameters by clicking in the value column and entering the new values if they are not already set. So for the minimum area we will put 1012 meters square, and for the minimum frontage 54.75 meter, and use minimum frontage at offset. We will select no for now, and minimum width frontage offset leave just minimum width should be 25 meter and minimum depth should be 15 meter. For use maximum depth should be no, and maximum depth you can leave that as default value since this will not be used. So multiple solution preferences, use shortage, frontage, okay, and if this is not expand, you can expand them, and also here automatic mode should be on and reminder distribution should be redistribute reminder. You can see in this preview. Now you can close this also, and from the drop down menu select here we have slide line create tool. The create parcel layout tool dialog box appear. From the drop down menus select subdivision lot for parcel style property, and here for area labels name square meter and hectares, and leave the rest of the option set to their defaults and click OK to dismiss the dialog box. Okay, now at the select parcel to be subdivide prompt, click the property 1. When you will zoom in, you can see property 1, and it's the area from here to here we want to subdivide into the lots. So select your parcel, and at the select start point on frontage prompt, use your endpoint or snip, clicking the shift right click and endpoint, and select this edge of right of way, and the parcel jig appear. Move your mouse slowly along the right of a parcel segment and notice that the parcel jig follows the parcel segment. At the select endpoint of frontage prompt, your use endpoint or snip to pick the point of curvature along the ROW parcel segment of property 1. At the specify angle or bearing, you can write here 90 degree. It's depend on your design specification. For now it's 90 degree in my specification, so I want to create with 90 degree. Just press enter. Notice the preview of the parcel. At the accept result, just press yes or press enter to accept the default. At the select parcel to subdivide, click or press escape to clear the selection and exit the command. So this is how you can see we can subdivide parcel into lots at once using slide line tools in Civil 3D. For this type of useful videos, please stay with us.